This is Samster International Airport.
147, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 15 knots.
For takeoff, runway E1 for runway 07, Copa 147.
For 147, contact Samster radar 120.8. Good day.
Contact now 120.8. Have a good day. Copa 147. Thank you. ILS 7.
United 1146, clear to land, runway 07, wind 070 degrees at 15 knots.
Clear to land, runway 7, United 1146. How about you that? That's always shot 7.
November Juliet, roger. Behind landing traffic, short final 07, line up and wait behind.
Behind landing traffic, short final, line up and wait behind. How about you that? Good afternoon, United 2126 with the ILS DME 07.
United 2126, continue approach runway 07.
We'll continue, United 2126. Alright, Southwest 273 is holding point, Alpha short of 7, we're ready.
73, roger, stand by departure.
By departure, Southwest 273.
146, arrived 33, vacate Bravo, ground 1217.
Over to ground, yeah, 1146, birds at 300.
Roger. But Juliet, clear takeoff 07, wind 060 degrees, 17 knots, left turn lane safely able. 126, traffic is at Cessna 206, will be proceeding westbound and remaining north and clear, should not be a factor for you. Yeah, remain north and clear of the approach path, runway 07, multiple inbound.
Copy, north and clear. November Juliet.
126, clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees at 17 knots.
Clear to land 07, United 2126, thank you.
Southwest 273, behind the landing Boeing 739 on a short final, runway 07, line up and wait behind. It's 273, Samster Tower.
Go ahead for Southwest 273.
Southwest 273, behind the landing Boeing 739 on short final, runway 07, line up and wait behind.
Alright, behind the landing traffic, line up and wait on runway 07, Southwest 273.
50 and taxi.
Delta 1750, Samster Tower, continue approach runway 07, opposite direction, Cessna 206 traffic, approximately 2 miles northwest of the station is north and clear, should not be a factor for you.
Copy, looking for traffic, continue approach Delta 1750.
Juliet, Boeing 739 traffic coming up on 7 miles final 07, 2,300 feet and descending. 2126, arrived at 36. Keep the roll going, vacate on taxiway Alpha, contact the ground when clear, 121.7.
Keep it going now, Alpha, contact ground decimal 7 on clear, United, 2126.
Number Juliet, airborne 34, contact thanks to radar 120.86, good day.
Up 34, radar 120, on the way back, you're left.
3, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 15 knots, no delay on the road.
Clear for takeoff, runway 7 to the north.
So 1750, cleared to land, runway 07, wind 060 degrees at 17 knots.
Hey, 07 Delta 1750. 780, we're clear to just reposition on the ground over here, just to the left side of the hold short point.
JetBlue 780, confirm requesting to proceeding to the holding bay off to your left.
JetBlue 780.
780, roger, approved.
Requested JetBlue 780, thanks.
And advise when you're fully ready for departure.
JetBlue 780.
120.8, good day.
Southwest 273, good day.
Seven 50, arrived at 39, vacate on Alpha, contact ground 1217 when clear of the runway.
We'll be off on Alpha 121.7 when clear, Delta 1750.
17, holding short for JetBlue, or are we pulling ahead?
Flight 117, confirm you're fully ready.
Be ready, Frontier Flight 117.
Card, you're number 1 for departure.
Copy that, we'll pull up Frontier Flight 117.
South runway 07, wind 080 degrees, 16 knots.
Runway 07, Frontier Flight 117. Southwest 292 on the ILS runway 87.
Southwest 292, thanks to tower, continue approach runway 07.
Approach Southwest 292.
At 117, airborne 42, contact thanks to radar 120.8 today.
Alright, good day.
80, thanks to tower.
The whole short here, we're troubleshooting inoperative item here. We'll be talking to maintenance. So currently we have number 2 engine shut down. Just so you know, we're going to be holding here.
Blue 780, roger. 292, clear to land runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 14 knots.
Clear to land runway 07, Southwest 292.
One 1683, thanks to tower.
United 1683.
You're fully ready for departure?
Ready.
United 1683, roger. Behind the landing, Boeing 738 on a 3-mile final, runway 07, line up only behind.
Behind the landing, 737, line up only from 1.
Our JetBlue 1179, 10 out for 7.
Blue 1179, thanks to tower. Continue approach, runway 07.
Blue 1179, continue.
Southwest 292, arrived for 6, vacate Bravo, ground 1217, wind clear of the runway.
217, wind clear, Southwest 292.
Did 1683, wind 060 degrees, 14 knots, no delay on the roll, traffic is now 5 miles per hour.
No 1683, ready for departure.
683, you're cleared for takeoff 07, wind 060 degrees, 14 knots, no delay on the roll, traffic 5 miles.
3 clear for takeoff, no delay.
Virgin 165 is with you, shortly becoming established on the ILS 07.
65, thanks to tower, roger. Continue approach, runway 07.
Continue approach, 07.
Blue 1179, clear to land 07, wind 060 degrees at 15 knots.
Runway 7, JetBlue 1179.
Exit 1683, airborne 48, contact radar 120.8, good day.
683, good day.
Tower, spare wings 270, short of 7, whenever you can let us go.
Wings 270, roger, line up and wait, runway 07.
Runway 07, spare 270.
179, arrive 50, vacate Bravo, ground 1217, good day.
And 217, JetBlue 1179.
Wings 270, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 070 degrees at 15 knots. Traffic is 5 miles final.
Off runway 7, square wings 270.
Wind is 070 degrees at 15 knots. You're clear to land with wind 07.
107, 125.
Wings 270, airborne at 51, contact radar 120.8 today.
120.8, square wings 270.
Virgin 165 Heavy, arrived 53, vacate contact city Alpha. And clear of the runway, contact ground 121.7. Good day.
Okay, on Alpha, and we're clear of the runway 121.7, Virgin 165.
Tower, JetBlue 780, we are going to need to return to the gate.
Roger. Do you have a gate number you'll be going back to?
Have to coordinate.
1851, cleared to land runway 07, wind 070 degrees at 15 knots. Alrighty, once you have the gate number, contact to ground 121.7.
Alright, ground 0.7, JetBlue 7. 5-1, we're checking on here, short final for 07.
15 knots.
Clear to land, runway 07, Delta 1851. American 857 is ready for takeoff, runway 07.
American 857, thanks to Tower, roger. Stand by for departure. 725, Tower, roger. Continue approach runway 07.
Continue, runway 7, sun country 725.
American 857, line up on weight 07.
Wait, 1807, American 857. 15 for 1851.
Ground 1217.
Ground 121.7, Delta 185.
857, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 14 knots, northerly on the roll.
Takeoff runway 07, American 857.
0 degrees 14 knots, close to land runway 07.
Runway 07, Sun Country 725. RT runway 07.
7720, thanks to tower. Continue approach runway 07.
Approach runway 720.
American 857, airborne 58, contact thanks to radar 120.8 today.
Over to Kingston radar, good day, American 857.
American 875, so thanks to tower, roger, standby.
Bye.
3725, arrived on the hour, vacate on Bravo, ground 1217, wing clear.
Down to Bravo, and, I'm sorry, what was clear?
17.
Check one.
American 875, you're cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees 16 knots.
Copy runway 7, American 875.
Thanks to tower, Delta 1801. ILSDME 7.
1801, thanks to tower. Continue approach runway 07.
07, Delta 1801.
1801, same direction, Cessna 206 traffic, about 7 miles northwest of the station, 1,400 feet, negative communication.
Okay, we're looking for now, Delta 1801.
Today.
120.8, American 875, good day.
But you're at North Arona, but left base 07.
November Juliet, thanks to tower, roger. Traffic you're following is an Airbus with 321, 9 miles final, correction, 8 miles final, runway 07.
Over Juliet.
Sunwing 720, arrived 03, vacate Bravo, contact ground 121.7, good day.
Decimal 7, good day, 720.
So 1801, cleared to land, runway 07, wind 070 degrees 15 knots.
Clear to land, 7, Delta 1801.
Degrees 17 knots. Delta 1801 arrived 06, vacate Bravo, ground 1217, wing clear, good day.
Clearing up Bravo, contact 18.
Delta 1801.
6 November Juliet, you're clear to land 07, wind 070 degrees at 16 knots.
Cleared it on top of the wind to the